I believe that all of us in this physical body can keep our existence if we choose to do so and communicate with these ascended beings. The Ascension Foundation is teaching and creating an energy to allow you to have that experience on your own and integrate that world with this world as one divine whole. You can make sure I don't have anything on my body. Just get under the cushions if you want to.
Outside outer door all shut and everything.
Kneel down.
There's coins, there's all sorts of jewels that have fallen all over. But do not move forward.
Sit in a chair.
Some more water.
Thank you.
Wow. Wow.
Isn't that one of the masters?
Yeah, it sure looks like it.
I'm still shaky. That's definitely Kuan Yin. You can feel it. There's a welt.
It's a coin holder.
A blue topaz.
Ring.
Saint Germain's telling me he's going to go by individuals. All the dimes are from Saint Germain. This one's from Kuan Yin. This one here is, no, this one's from, what'd you tell me? That's El Moria. This one here is from Maitreya. This one here is from also El Moria. I haven't been told what this one's from. There's an energy that comes out of them. It's like a string that goes into your heart chakra. The coins' message are helping to connect to financial abundance.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
The ring
Wonderful.
is a message of thank you for things that you've done to help the masters. This is to help success with financial abundance on your newly formed journey.
All right, beautiful. Should I take it with me?
I would maybe get it made somehow so you can wear it,
Thank you very much.
or a pinky ring.
Yes. It's a very old diamond.
You already know what the message is, but the other message is going to come in your meditation. So it's personal and private, he said.
That's cool.
It's really cool.
Amoya says he's sorry for the oil.
Thank you.
He says it found its way home again.